If you feel like you get pain when you're going upstairs, it's not your age, it's your strategy. Your brain is trying to protect you by limiting movement it doesn't trust. The fix isn't avoiding stairs, it's retraining your body and your brain to move smarter. Let me show you how. So here's what's really going on. You're probably overusing your quad muscles or the muscles around your knee. They're tight, they're tense, they're not willing to lengthen because your brain doesn't feel safe. So what does it do? It sends pain signals, but these pain signals don't mean you're broken. They're sending these pain signals because they're trying to protect you from injury. It's kind of like your central nervous system is telling you, hey, maybe we shouldn't be loading this pattern again. And this is why your intention really matters. So most people when walking will put their foot up and shift their weight over their quads, increase that shin angles so their quads can pull them up and they feel really nice, they feel really powerful. The only problem with this knee angle and knee dominant pattern is that you're already overusing a pattern that you've all day, every day. The trick is to actually get your hamstrings to pull their weight and to actually pull you up. So instead of thinking, I'm going to bring my hips up and over my hip, I want you to think, I am bringing my knee back towards my hip and I'm using my glutes and my hamstrings. So if we want to feel a little bit more of a hamstring stretch, we can lean into it and pull the knee back. And that makes sure, we're using that posterior chain and we're helping to redistribute that load rather than overloading an already overused tissue. So this is a pattern you can practice a couple times, practice 4 or 5 times just on a little step, get used to it, and then you can start to implement it into your stair climbing. So forwards, keep the shin as vertical as possible, tilt back, bring the knee back towards the hip. This exercise isn't just about climbing stairs. It's about building trust in your body again. Training smarter patterns like this allows you to rewire how your brain perceives movement, reduce unnecessary tension, and also restore strength and confidence without fear. You don't have to give up stairs, you just have to change the way that you approach them. Want more movement strategies just like this? Why not grab our free Back on Track ebook? It's a 10-minute routine to help relieve back pain and tension. Or if you're ready to dive a little bit deeper, why not check out our pain-free movement program? It's $67 and it walks you through step by step how to rebuild, control, strength, and move your joints safely. As always, hit the link in the description or visit the Functional Movement Club for more tools or resources or coaching to help you bridge the gap between where you are and where you want to be. This is Glenn from the Functional Movement Club reminding you small shifts lead to big changes. Train with intention, move with confidence, and we'll see you in the next one.